the viral swamp potato.
Honey gold potatoes from Aldi, rinse. Friends, let me know where you're watching from, and if you would do anything different with this recipe, because I've seen several different versions. And please forgive my voice. I have been battling an upper respiratory infection, and I am good to go now. One of my favorites, the Kickin' Chicken by Weber. Lipton soup. We always use the unsalted. Now, in the recipes that I've seen, they add the green beans in. I have a bag of frozen green beans, and I also have a bag of like a vegetable medley mix, and I'm not going to add that until probably about the last 30 minutes. Because everyone says the green beans break down. Well, I'm not using canned, I have frozen, and I think it'll be just fine if I just put it in the last like 30 minutes or so. Now I'm going to cook this on high for about 3 hours, 3 or 4 hours. It says a full stick of butter. My husband and I decided that seems a little extra, a little excessive. So we're going to do just a half stick. Turn it on, and I'm going to check it in about 3 hours. All right, so I added my frozen green beans along with my carrot, pea, corn, and green bean frozen vegetable mix, and I gave it all a stir, and now we're just waiting for it to be done. We did also add some chicken stock because we felt like it was a little dry, and I just wanted a little bit more liquid in there. Try to get a little potato, a little onion, a little green bean, a little carrot.
The viral swamp potato. That's very good. That's very good. I see why it's viral. And it's affordable. It's not overly salty. I thought it would be overly salty, but we did add some chicken broth to it, so that probably helped tame that soup mix. Oh, hot. It's very good, friends. You should try it. But delicious. How easy. I've seen so many different versions of this online. Some had like sour cream and cheese or something mixed in it. I went with the all recipes. She did a short on the viral swamp potato. I went with her recipe, but I didn't do a full stick of butter. I did half. And I did add chicken broth. But this is very tasty. And this is affordable. My vegetables were frozen from Walmart. No. 1 bag of green beans from Aldi, and then I did a mix from Walmart, the Great Value brand. And the smoked sausage I got from Aldi. The potatoes I got from Aldi. Everything was very affordable. It's very good. I would make it again. Quick. Well, quick for a slow cooker, I guess. You know, slow cooker. Takes a few hours, but dump and go. And I really believe you should do what I did with the vegetables and add them in last. Give it a try, friends. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like and follow for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.